There's no option. I have to bring all three. And welcome to today's video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Esty, and on my channel we discuss all things makeup, skincare, hair care, everything in the beauty world, and sometimes fashion and clothing. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. And for today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. This weekend I am headed out to the mountains with my husband. We are driving there and we are staying safe. So I thought it'd be a fun idea, instead of to show you all what I packed for a weekend away, instead I was like, let's just do a pack with me. Pack with me all my makeup, all my brushes. Now I am gonna do a little bit of a challenge for myself because I am a crazy overpacker and we are only going away for a weekend. I was like, maybe I can challenge myself to only bring like one of each item, like one foundation, one blush, so on and so forth. So we'll see if I can do that. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I will pack for this weekend, then let's get right on into it. I'm sitting here at my vanity, as you can see. So let me sort of show you around my vanity a little bit. So here is my vanity. There's some more stuff over there, and my brushes. I have two drawers over here. You can see me like right there. And then I have some more drawers here. That's my Dyson Airwrap, and this is the back that I'm going to use to pack up all my stuff in. All right, so that was like a quick overview of my vanity. I do want to do like a full vanity tour and stuff, but I need to do like a massive declutter, and also I'll probably be getting a new vanity and like setup because it's just been getting a little crazy. So I will have that video coming eventually. I don't know when, but it'll come. But anyways, this is the bag that I'm using to pack all of my stuff in. This I've had forever. It's probably from like TJ Maxx or Target or something. It just has two pockets in here, and then it has one pocket in the back. So I figured we just start in the order of like how I apply my makeup. So in this bottom drawer, I have all of my primers, and I also have my Hourglass Veil Powder. I'm not really sure why this is here, but I know I'm gonna bring this, so let's just put it in the bag for now. And then one primer that I really love that I feel like I don't really talk about much is this Winky Lux Whipped Cream Primer. It's just really good at like smoothing everything out, and it keeps me nice and matte. So yeah, as my one primer, I'm gonna bring this. All right, let's move on to foundation. I have an entire drawer of foundation. So here is my foundation drawer. It's like totally a mess. Here are my powders. And then what I try to do, although it's clearly a mess right now, is do like my light coverage here and then like my more full coverage, but I have like boxes in here. It's terrible, so don't judge me. So I know we said one of each, but I'm gonna bend the rules, of course, because I'm a crazy hoarder. And I definitely wanna bring these. These I've literally been wearing every single day. I'm actually wearing them right now, but the colors aren't like both perfect, so I'm gonna bring both of these. And then my favorite full coverage at the moment is the Born This Way. What color is this? Is warm beige. Okay, I also don't have a perfect color in this, so I need to find, oh, the lighter one's right here. Yeah, vanilla. So I've just been mixing the two, so we're gonna bring that, and then I need to bring some powder foundation. So I'm gonna bring Linen in my Infallible, and then I'm also bringing Y315. This is like perfect right now for my all around face. My other L'Oreal one is a little too dark, so this is like perfect for my face right now. And then this I just love for my under eyes if I decide I want to do like more of a powder look. Or what I've been doing is just doing this with the powder on top, and it's perfect. So it's either I'm going to use these together or these two on their own. Also, this video is going to be super casual. You can probably tell that already, so I'm just sorry if my lighting is like off like that as I'm like moving the camera. But yeah, I'm actually laughing that I said one thing each because I brought 4 different foundations. But like honestly, this is a tinted moisturizer, so that's different. This is foundation, this is powder. So I mean, not too bad. Next up is concealer. I have been obsessed with the Wet n Wild Incognito Concealer. If you have not seen my Wet n Wild first impressions video, all the new Wet n Wild stuff, I'll link it down below. You have to watch it. This concealer is literally amazing. I have not been able to put it down, so this was easy. This is going in, and like I said, we already have our baking powder in here. Okay, now we're gonna move a little over here. So next up is my cream contour. This drawer is just, again, I need to do a whole clean out, but I have my Holy Grail Huda, but honestly, I've been loving these Wet n Wild ones. This is the shade Oaks on You, and I also have the shade Where's Walnut that I've been loving, so I'm gonna bring these both. And then in this drawer, Right over here is all of my powder bronzers. So I have been loving this e.l.f. one. I don't know if I should bring this one. I definitely need to bring my Makeup Forever contour powder. I like literally can't live without this. And then let's see, we have this Hourglass one. We have my Milani. I don't know whether I should bring my e.l.f. or Milani, but I don't know. e.l.f. is new and I'm kind of testing this out, so I guess I'll bring the e.l.f. one. All right, we're going back over here. As you can see, my collection is kind of all over the place. So blush. Okay, so I have this entire drawer of like all different creams and liquids. I have my NYX, I have my Milani, my Glossier, all in here that are more in like tubes or sticks, including my ColourPop ones down here. And then this drawer is more of like powder. So I have this e.l.f. one that I just tried out, my Wet n Wild. I have like my Dior. I guess this is more highlighters in here, but I do have like my Dior blushes in here as well. I actually do have more blushes than this in my drawer that my cream bronzers are in, but these are sort of like my everyday. And then this e.l.f. one is up here because I'm just testing. Oh, maybe I'll bring this because I'm still testing this one out. So it's up here. And then also up here is this mini Rare Beauty one that I literally have been loving. Also, my camera's having issues like focusing today, so apologies for that as well. So I don't know, I want to bring one. Like I don't want to bring like so many blushes. Also, like I don't think we're really doing much. Like the cabin that we rented has like a barbecue, so we're gonna barbecue one night. I don't think anywhere is open for outdoor dining, so you know, I don't really know like what we're even doing. So I definitely don't want to like go crazy with the blush because that's like one area where I literally cannot stop myself. Okay, so I think for blush, I do want to do Sweet Cheeks. I also like this because like right now I'm wearing it on my lips and I feel like I can wear it on my lips, I can wear it on my cheeks. It's a dual purpose and it's never let me down. So I'm going to do the Sweet Cheeks in Nude for my lips. So let me put this Rare Beauty back, and then not sure which Dior palette I want to bring, whether I want to bring the Rose Gold or the original. I kind of feel like I just want to be like safe and go with the original because although I love the Rose Gold, this is like still my holy grail. And I don't know, I just like love this. Just looks really great as a blush. This pink one looks good as like a blush topper as well. But I feel like I just gotta stick with the basics and bring this. Okay, last step of the face, setting spray. I kind of like can't just pick, like I just don't think I can just pick one. I have to bring all three. Like there's no option. I have to bring all three because if I do look a little powdery, I need the Patrick Ta, but then I need this one for my T-zone. And then the Charlotte Tilbury I need if I am going anywhere, if we're doing like any shopping. They have like a bunch of antique stores there. I need this for under my mask or my makeup will transfer. So I need all three. This one's like literally done. I actually have a brand new one. Okay, I just grabbed my brand spanking new one, never opened. Okay, let's put this in. I don't know why I feel like I'm forgetting something. Anyways, let's move on to eyebrows, lips, eyes, all of that. So I keep all my eyeshadow palettes in this drawer, but for some reason I'm not really in the mood to like bring a palette. So in this drawer right above where my bronzers are all like my single eyeshadows or like smaller palettes. Plus this, actually you need to bring this. This is for my brows, and then I'll bring like one of these. Let me just take this out. I have been obsessed with this e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in the shade, I think it's Galaxy. It is absolutely amazing. If you didn't see my e.l.f. try on or like full face of e.l.f., I'll link it down below because this is amazing. So honestly, I think I'm just going to bring this, and for my crease shade, I'll just use the powder contour, my Makeup Forever powder contour that I always use. So yeah, I mean, that was easy. So I have all of my eyebrow and eye stuff in here and then some of my nudes. Wow, filming this video is much more difficult than I thought. Sorry if this video is like crazy with moving the camera and the filming. I don't know. I still think it'll be entertaining, but anyways, for my brows, I'm obviously bringing my Morphe. I need, okay, here's Latte, and then I need the other one in Java. Here's Java. Throw it in the bag, and then we have our eyebrow gel, the Got To Be, and then what else? I'll bring one eyeliner. I usually, yeah, the Marc Jacobs Rococo. I feel like I don't always use this. I feel like most of the time I don't even use eyeliner, but like if I do, it's probably going to be this. So let's throw this in here, and then mascara. Okay. Essence Lash Princess, we already know. CoverGirl Exhibitionist, we already know. And then the L'Oreal Telescopic for my bottom. Boom, boom, boom. And then of course I need my eyelash curler. And then because I'm extra, I also need my heated eyelash curler. For nude lips, I have this compartment. By the way, I have an entire drawer of nude lipstick, but these are like my two, I'm crazy. These are like my two favorites. So for lip liner, this is hard. I don't know if I want to bring Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude or the e.l.f. Retro Paradise. That has like become my holy grail. The only thing is also I may want to bring, where's my KKW one? My KKW one is over here. It's like literally so tiny. This is KKW. I think this is in the first shade. I feel like this trip I'll be doing more like natural makeup. And this I like to use when I'm doing like no makeup or really natural makeup because it almost is like the color of my actual lips. I don't know, I may not be able to bring one. I think I have to bring KKW and I'm gonna bring Iconic Nude. It hurts me between these two, but the e.l.f. is a little bit more brown toned and the Iconic Nude is a little cooler toned, and I just feel like when I'm doing something more natural, I do prefer the Iconic Nude. Like this I usually use more if I'm doing like, not like full glam, but like, yeah, full glam, because this is darker, you know what I mean? So can't just pick one, we're gonna do two. Right. Throw these in the bag. And then as of lipstick, I already know what I'm doing. Patrick Ta. These are literally my holy grail. I also love his bullet lipstick, but as far as like longevity, wearing a mask, again, I'm not really sure what we'll be doing. These are pretty foolproof. The thing is that I have two shades. So I have She's Independent, She's Confident, but She's Confident on his own is a little too dark. It's not a little bit too dark, but it's a little bit like too red. Not red, it's like a nude, but it's like more red, rosy toned. And then She's Confident, or sorry, She's Independent could be a little bit too light on me. So I'm gonna have to bring both. All right, let's zip this up and move on to my brushes. Here's all my brushes. As far as sponges go, I'm going to bring my e.l.f. sponge and my Shop Miss A sponge, but I need to clean these. So I'm not gonna put these, well, I mean, these brushes aren't clean either, but these I actually have to like rinse. So let's start with the brushes. Okay, so I'm trying to think. So foundation and concealer, we have these sponges. I'm gonna bring, this is my under eye brush. This is the E48, but I have another brush that's super similar to it. This is the Morphe R13. And this I love for my under eyes, but this I like with powder foundation. Like if I need to like spot concealer, like if I'm doing like more of the tinted moisturizer and I need to put like some powder or some coverage, I'd like to go in with this brush. So let's pack these. And I'm not really gonna go in order. I'm just gonna like whatever jumps out of me. I have two of my beloved IT Cosmetics 211 brushes, but I'm going to bring this one, and I actually have the cover for it that it came with. So let's see what else. I need my ColourPop F9. I feel like if you've watched like my tutorials, you probably already know the brushes I'll bring because I literally use these same ones. My blush brush, this is the Smashbox Buildable Cheek. This one is expensive, but worth the money in my opinion. Where is it? This brush. This is like a random makeup of the day eye-catching crease brush, but I use this to like apply my cream contour. I don't know, just works really well, so I have to bring that. Speaking of contour, I need my e.l.f. blush brush. I use this to powder contour. I just love how it's like really nice and tapered. Highlighting brush, this is AOA Studio F19. Bronzer brush, this is an EcoTools. Oh no, this is a Sony, I thought it was EcoTools. This is a Sony Akashic brush that literally came in like a gift set like 3 years ago. I need to find like a really good holy grail bronzer brush. I just haven't yet. So we'll take this for now. I need this brush to apply the actual liquid eyeshadow with, to pat it down. And then I just need like a big fluffy brush for my crease, for the bronzer. Let's see. I think I'm gonna bring this brush. This is the Morphe M512 and it's fluffy, but if you can see, it's also kind of flat. So I like this because it definitely gets into the crease. And I feel like this is the type of brush that's fluffy and you can use it for your crease, but you can also use it to sort of like build out your outer V. So I'm gonna bring these two brushes for my eyes. I think we should, oh, you know what? Okay. I packed the Hourglass, but I also want to pack my CoverGirl Clean Fresh. Is this, yeah, in the light shade. So I guess I did forget this. This I've just been loving to set my face. It keeps me really nice and matte and shine free. It doesn't look cakey. So I want to bring this, and I think that's it. All right, that is it for today's video. Please let me know if you like this. I know the video was a little bit more casual, maybe a little bit all over the place, maybe a little bit rambly, if you will. But if you did like it and you do like these more casual, less formal type of videos, please let me know. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know by giving this a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.